What's that? If we go on the other two rides, is that when you're done with all the Okay, now remember, you make it a wee bit wet.
I guess.
No, like on that, that's what the pirates think. I can't, they should give you a discount when the biggest rides are closed.
Yeah.
You know, even a couple bucks, say sorry, $5 off, that ride's closed. Or unless you do a walkthrough so you can see what it would have been like.
Alright, put it in your bag.
Now you hang on this for dear life.
Yes, sir.
It'd be cool if this thing's smaller.
You do go down one. And it
There was
spins
a lady
around.
that I knew who liked to be called sir.
Boom! Yeah, then you, next thing is...
Like, oh, I'm suing Disneyland. Screw you,
Hi, you Raptors.
I'm sure
Literally.
Be sure to stay seated with that seatbelt fastened. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the raft. And be sure to watch your kids. Okay, guys, it's time to do some serious rafting.
Seriously.
Gnarly! Lanceros. Para que disfruten.
The last time, they had this one standing up and like sitting down and slamming ourselves back down and it's going like this, so we finally get all wet. It's like, you gotta break the rules to have fun.
It's the only way to have.
It's always fun until somebody gets hurt.
I could get completely drenched and nothing's gonna happen.
Your phone, not my phone, but you can do it here.
Oh, my phone's going off? Finally! And I'm on a ride. Go figure.
I can't get the phone right now.
It's peed on
See what I
us.
mean?
That
It's
feels great.
funnier when you got wet. Oh,
Don't do that.
oh, Peter.
Oh, that feels great.
It does.
I like this
Like
size
hot
bottle.
pit.
Right here.
No, there's no slide.
Oh my god.
No. There is a couple drops.
We're gonna get really wet.
Dude, they should put a hole in the floor.
They're gross.
Hey, all day long you've been talking about my mom. I can't talk about yours.
No.
Well, Lori won't mind. She loves me.
Might want to put that way now with both hands.
The bear.
You make it a yee bit wet.
Better.
You see the wrong hand?
Is that it? Was that it?
I hope so.
That's the
That's
ride.
loose as a
I hope
goose.
so.
No.
Everybody has to
We
jump
haven't even
out.
started, have we?
No, everybody has a job. Oh man.
There's the drop right there.
Yeah, here comes the big one.
I don't like being wet.
Oh no.
Oh, man.
I gotta keep my hand over this. It's gonna come off.
Oh my god.
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Told you.
Oh my god.
Look at it. Stop inviting the water.
I invite you water.
I don't know if Julie put it down there, see if she didn't have a green.
Oh my god.
Come on, it's a rafting
You
now.
are wet.
I think we got lettuce. You're next.
Come on, dude. I wanna get wet.
Don't say that. Wishes come
I
true.
wanna get wet. I wish I would get wet.
Feeling back.
I don't pick up before you get. I
Yeah.
go get it.
She's jinxing the thing.
Is this it? Is that the Are you wet?
Yeah.
I thought it was a waterfall.
We went down a fall.
No, we haven't gone
The big
across
one
that
at the
bridge
end,
thing
they
yet, I
say.
don't think.
No, there's two
One more
falls.
fall?
I
Yeah,
thought
one
there was
more.
fall.
Yeah, I hope I get
Right
that
here,
one.
it's waiting.
You need to aim it.
Oh, really?
Oh my god.
Bump.
Boom.
Oh.
Oh.
Hard on your kid.
Hi.
Get that.
Are we being
Hello.
stopped right here? Am I in your way?
No, she's trying to get you guys, right? Picture. Take his picture.
I hope you guys get wet.
Yeah.
I'll just go to my locker and change my socks. I brought socks.
Good idea.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Until we go on splash down, then you'll go. I
Yeah,
got
then I'm sitting in the front seat because the last time I was on Splash Mountain, the guy in the very front got completely drenched while the
really?
rest of us were like dry. So yeah, I got the front.
So we're done now, right?
Is that it for the drop?
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah, that's it.